If you've ever made a boo-boo on your watercolor, let me show you how to fix it. Here's how you clear your mistake away off the watercolor paper. Get a stencil brush and dip it in clear, clean water, and then just start tapping it on the area that you want to clean up. Be patient because it will take a little bit of time. Just keep dabbing at it and wipe the residue away, and then set it aside and let it dry. Lightly sketch in what you're going to paint next over the area that you made your mistake. I want to place a little peach colored flower similar to the one I painted earlier. After I've sketched in that little flower, I'll go ahead and drop some paint there, give it a little color. You know I use markers instead of watercolors, right? Now I'm going to put in some detail in the background and foreground around that flower that I repainted into this arrangement. Interesting how it looks so different from what we started with, remember? So stay tuned to see the before and after photo of the teapot arrangement. Here's the before and after photo. In the circled areas, you can see how different the two paintings are. The painting on the left shows a purple flower and some branches. Don't you think the painting on the right looks much better after we fixed it? Hey, thanks for watching. Hope you all have a good day.